User insights are the key to building intuitive experiences, and Userlytics helps you uncover them. Tree testing evaluates how easily users find information in your structure. From your Userlytics dashboard, create a new test or open an existing one. Go to the Activities tab on the left-hand side, select Tree Testing, and add it to your test to start building the task. First, define the item or topic participants need to place. Then, create your category structure, including any subcategories. This will represent your site's menu hierarchy. Next, select the correct category using the toggle. This allows you to measure how successfully users complete the task. Participants will navigate through your structure and choose where they think the item belongs. Once your test is complete, go to the Metrics section and open your tree testing task. Start with First Click to understand where users begin their navigation and how intuitive your labels are. Next, use Final Selection to see where users end up and whether they're choosing the correct destination. After that, review paths to analyze the different routes users take through your structure and identify common patterns. Finally, explore the tree view to understand how users interact across your full hierarchy, including which sections received the most engagement and where participants spent the most time navigating. Now, you can also instantly generate an AI result summary of each activity by clicking the Analyze Results button in the Activity tab. Add tree testing in your Userlytics study today and start getting real results.